Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Honda Civic maintenance light reset. We are going to use these button over here, this button, the menu button, and left and right. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. We're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and press, as you can see, soon, service due soon. Go ahead and press that I button. And go ahead and press the I button until you see this screen right here, and go ahead and press the menu button, and go ahead and use the scroller to scroll up to vehicle info, and then now click right to maintenance info. Go ahead and enter on that. The enter button is in the menu, in the middle. Now go ahead and scroll to scroll right, and now scroll down, enter on yes, and that should do it, guys. Make sure you click on like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.